Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. It's still your boy Solo Wise on tour, and today guess where we are. Today we are live at UMUOCHAM Road here in Aba in Abia State. Today we want to be showing you the good ongoing construction work by Governor Dr. Alex Otti here in UMUOCHAM Road in Aba, Abia State. So don't be in a hurry to skip this video. While watching the video, just kindly give the video a like and tell us in the comment section on what you think about this great video. And as well, if you like what we do here, kindly hit the share button to drag more audience to the channel. And if this is your first time of coming across this channel, kindly hit the subscription button and tap the bell notification button so that you will always be the first person to be notified whenever Solo Wise on tour drops another new video. So guys, stay tuned, don't be in a hurry, don't go anywhere, just stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Get yourselves updated on the new road construction work here by Governor Dr. Alex Otti. This is to tell you that Aba is really improving, and soon the city of Aba will be known as one of the best cities and one of the clean cities here in Abia State and here in eastern part of Nigeria. So don't be in a hurry to skip this video. Like I said earlier, I don't have much to say here. It's better you stay tuned, watch the video to the end and get yourself some interesting things you need to see in this video. Let's go. Believe with me that this particular UMUOCHAM road here in the city of Aba has been abandoned for so many years, and today all glory to Dr. Alex Otti for remembering this road, because we all know and you can tell that this road has been one of the worst road here in the city of Aba, and today with what I am seeing, soon it will no longer known as one of the worst areas here in Aba, but it will be known as one of the cleanest cities here in the city of Aba in Abia State, Nigeria, thanks to Governor Alex Otti. So guys, let's go into the video. Stay tuned and enjoy yourselves. Thanks.